Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sector 45. This specific location is in the surroundings of Medanta, Hooda City Centre, and we're on a plot size of 342 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started with the touring. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the hallway area, the formal living space and the dining section of the house. On the surface, you'll see all Italian stone, all Italian marble. You talk about the ceiling design. This is a square-shaped ceiling design with given two specific ceilings. Corner में आपका पूरे में LED recessed strip lights लगाया हुआ है. You've got a small fan by Aramberg. This is the company name. इधर में आपका एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम का प्रोविजनिंग है. यहाँ पर में यू कैन मेक अ स्मॉल टेम्पल. इधर अपने जिस भी ईश्वर को आप मानते हैं उनकी तस्वीर यहाँ लगा सकते हैं. You've got LED lights. You've got the cabinetries down here. Why is this space given? Because this is connected with the entrance of the house here. This also works with the smart automation system. You need to download the application. Again, you've got the smart fans out here. This wall has a grouping done. इधर में आप पेंटिंग्स वगैरह लगा सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से. Over the ceiling, पूरा का पूरा जो सीलिंग आप देख रहे हैं ऊपर में, it's a rectangular shape ceiling design. सारी LED recessed strip lights लगाई हुई हैं. Towards your left, you'll see this is the space for your air conditioning system. When we talk about the walls are left empty out here, this is for your customization. Now, the place from where we entered, this is this. And you've got a CCTV surveillance camera out here so that you can actually access the person who's coming up and going down. And probably then you give the authorization and you authorize that person to come up. Now, this specific hallway region, the formal living space is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is UPVC, which is used with a fixed door and a sliding door. This also has a mesh along with this. This is the balcony space. A huge balcony space that you see in the front. This is a running balcony which is connected with the first and the second bedroom of the house in the front. यहाँ पर आपका पूरा का पूरा आप देखेंगे ग्रीन सेरीन है. आसपास में कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है. You see this is approximately a 12-meter road in front of your house, maybe little more than this. ये आपका MS का railings है, पूरा का पूरा steel का toughened glasses भी है. You've got a granite on the periphery of this railing. Again, you've got a granite shelf out here, so possibly you can stand here and you can mesmerize the view early in the morning hours. This is a wet area. You've got the drainage vessel. Over the surface, you'll see you've got the small cubicle tiling work done, and that's again another drainage vessel given here. Over the front, you'll see you've got the round LED lights. This is the space. अगर मैं होता तो इधर से इसको कवर कर देता, कुछ अपने हिसाब से कर लेता. यहाँ पर वहाँ पर में अगर आप मेटल का फ्रेम देखेंगे जो लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पर मेटल के जो ये लगे हुए हैं, this has the galvanization done on it. Let's get inside to the formal living space and cover up the first bedroom of the house quickly. This is the first bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling work on the surface. This is your normal console given to you for your television setups. This is a plain wall left for your customization. That's the space for your air conditioning provisioning, which is given to you. You can place your air conditioning system here. Above me, you see a small square ceiling design which has LED recessed strips. And this is a small fan given to you. This also has the cabinetries down here. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. आके पे एक बार ये वाली balcony दिखा दीजिए दोबारा से. ये same balcony है. This also has a mesh door out here. Again UPVC. Now Once you enter inside the first bedroom, you get connected with the right hand side. This is the closet space. This is your closet space out here. This is getting ready to move. तो ये थोड़ा सा जो गंदगी है, this will be cleared. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं नीचे में आपका boot racks है. This is the first washroom of the first bedroom. You've got the tiling work on the surface, designer tiles on the walls. You've got the geyser fitting done. This is a running upholstery shelf. That's your wall mount rain head. All the sanitary fittings are by American standard. You've got a proper commode seat station with the surface of the floor. A beautiful granite countertop which has a round shaped bowl vanity. A beautiful mirror, and you've got an exhaust fan, and you've got an Orient का इलेक्ट्रिक फैन जो कि वॉल माउंट फैन है, और नीचे में आपको ये सारा स्पेसिंग दिया हुआ है टू कीप योर स्टफ. सो दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ ड्रेनेज वेसल. यहाँ पर आप ग्लास पार्टीशन भी लगा सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट बेडरूम एंड द फर्स्ट वॉशरूम ऑफ द हाउस. लेट्स कवर अप द सेकेंड बेडरूम क्विकली फ्रॉम हेयर. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड बेडरूम्स एंट्रेंस एंड दिस इज़ द पाउडर रूम. और इसी सेकेंड बेडरूम का ये वॉशरूम है जो कॉमनली कनेक्टेड है विद ईच अदर. This is the normal tiling on the surface. Towards your left you'll see a closet section. On the right hand side you'll see the air conditioning का provisioning दिया हुआ है. This wall is left empty for your customization. On the ceiling you see a small square design which has LED strip recessed placed inside it. And this is the fan which will be installed sooner. This is also connected with the front balcony that we showed you before. So this formal living space is connected with the first. This is connected with the first and the second bedroom of the house that you commonly share it with everyone. Come on, come. This is the washroom space which is commonly used as the powder room. This is the running shelf, a wall mount commode seat by American standard, a beautiful vanity, a bowl shaped vanity with the granite stone countertop. And this is the space to keep your cabinetries. That's normal tiling on the surface, and you've got the designer tiles on the walls, exhaust fan by Crompton. And this way is your rain head which is wall mount, and all the sanitary fittings are by American standard. This is a small wall mount electric fan given to you, and that's the spacing done for your geyser. We can step out from here as well, but we'll step out from the second bedroom. This is a small console given to you for your LED placements. You can keep your materials down here. This is the powder room, the same that we've showed you. एक बारी आकिब भाई ये वाला दिखा दीजिए. This is used in common with the second bedroom of the house. Now let's cover up the third bedroom of the property from the hallway area. This has wooden flooring on the surface which has a warranty of around 10 years. Towards your left you'll see a normal wall, and there is a grouping done on this wall. You'll see a beautiful console design which is a small and simple sleek design that I see. This is the cabinetries. यहाँ पर मैं अपना आप LED लगा सकते हैं. बहुत ही कॉम्पैक्ट है ये कमरा. ऊपर में सीलिंग देखेंगे रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में है. 2 स्लाइसेस दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. इसमें LED जैसे स्ट्रिप लाइट्स लगाई हुई हैं. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पर आपको स्पेस दिया हुआ है एक छोटा सा चैनल टाइप. यहाँ पर आप अपना ड्रैपरी रॉड लगा सकते हैं. पर्दे यहाँ पर आपके इंस्टॉल हो सकते हैं आसानी से, वो दिखेंगे भी नहीं. ये मेश डोर है और ये आपका नॉर्मल स्लाइडिंग डोर दिया हुआ है इसके अंदर. यू कैन ड्रैग इट एंड यू कैन पुल इट बैक. दिस इज़ द बैक साइड ऑफ द हाउस दैट यू सी. When I talk about the back side, this is the third bedroom that we are discussing now. This is also connected with the fourth and the kitchen out here. This is the metal का railing out here on this side. ये metal का railing है, पूरा galvanization है. Perimeter space का पूरा आपका granite दिया हुआ है. Surface पे आपका tiling work है. This also has a wet area out here, and the drainage vessel will be given it this way. This is the आपका air conditioning के जितने externals हैं यहाँ पर उसका wiring होगा. ये आपका स्मॉल रैपिड जेट गीज़र लगाया हुआ है. यहाँ पर आके दिखाओ एक बारी क्रॉम्पटन का. ये गीज़र जो आप देखेंगे इसके अंदर पूरा वायरिंग वगैरह आपको करके दे रहे हैं. सिर्फ कनेक्शंस हैं वो भी हम लोग आपको करके देंगे. सो नीड नॉट टू बी वरीड. आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स की बात करूँ, लुक एट द बैक साइड ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी. ये इन्होंने अपने हिसाब से इसकी पेरिफ्री पे इन्होंने फेंसिंग करा हुआ है फॉर देयर फ्यूचरिस्टिक अप्रोच. ये पूरा का पूरा इसका रनिंग बालकनी है। ये आपका गीज़र, एक्सटर्नल एयर कंडीशनिंग का आपका प्रोविजनिंग है, वाटर का यहाँ टैप लगेगा। ये दरवाज़ा जो आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, दिस विल बी इंस्टॉल्ड वेरी सून। दिस इज़ नॉट गोना बी द वे इट इज़ नाउ। सामने में आते ही पूरा का पूरा आपका क्लोजेट दिया हुआ है दिस वे। This is your closet which has a boot space down here. This is the washroom. You've got a proper sliding glass channel, wall mounted commode seat by American standard, textured designer tiles on the walls and anti-skid on the surface. This has a mirror here, a beautiful normal countertop stone, and a bowl is by American standard. Again, this is your vanity which has got cabinets down here. Although you've also got a wall mount fan, and this is a rain head given to you wall mount. All fittings are by American standard. That's your drainage vessel. We apologize that we are showcasing you still because it's dirty. ये ready होने के कगार पे है ये. This will get neat and clean very soon, so need not to be worried for the same. Let's get inside to the fourth bedroom. Before we get inside to the fourth bedroom, this is the air conditioning का provisioning आपका. This way is the kitchen. This is your fourth bedroom of the house. Normal tiling work on this surface. That's your closet section. Boot space beneath down. A small wooden console is given here. That's the place where you can hang your LED. You've got the grouping done on this wall to make it more artistic and vibrant. This is a small square shaped ceiling design which has got 4 cubicles out there. The provisioning for the air conditioning system is given this way. You can place your air conditioning system. This is also connected with the back balcony. Again, UPVC with a mesh door. Let's step outside and showcase you what we've shown you before. The same balcony that you see that we've shown you before. This is the washroom space. A proper slider door. ऊपर में proper channel दिया हुआ है, stainless steel का frame है. Designer tiles on the walls, rain head. All the fittings are by American standard. This is your upholstery space where you can keep your anything like aroma. This is your electric fan by Orient, exhaust fan. A space for your geyser which is by Cube. Wall mounted commode seat, a running granite stone shelf. A beautiful round shaped bowl vanity which has a normal granite stone, and you've got the cabinetries down here. A beautiful glass is installed here. इधर पे LED lights आपको लगा के दे देंगे. You talk about the surface, you've got the normal tiling work here. This is now I'm back inside the hallway area. This is your formal living cum dining space, and let's cover up the kitchen because this is connected with the kitchen. This has normal tiling done on the walls. It's like cubicle shaped tiles हैं, काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है हाइलाइटर की तरह. यहाँ पर में आप अपना रेफ्रिजरेटर पार्क कर सकते हैं. You've got the tiling work inside your kitchen. Chimney and hob is by Hindware. This is your ensemble. This is the groving section. You keep your stuff. That's the place where you place your oven, your cabinet spaces, dual sink which has a washer's vessel which is movable. This way is you keep your small stuff out here, and you've got a natural stone. This is an Italian stone on the countertop which is stain free. Space to keep your cutlery, space to keep your some of the sleek stuff, and that's again once again here. And this way you can keep your grains, pepper, salt, and this is a transparent cabinetry. You can keep your tea, coffee, your sausages, and whatever you want to keep it here. This is getting ready. Nothing much to showcase. This is the washers area. You wash your utensils and you park it here and you drain it down. That's the provisioning for your geyser. And this has a UPVC door which is by Peugeot. This is the balcony that we've shown you before. ये यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे आपका गैस सिलेंडर का यहाँ पर इसमें नोजल दिया हुआ है. And this is all galvanization done on the metal. If you want to cover this, you can cover this as per your convenience. So This kitchen also has an exhaust fan out here. A lot of space to keep your cabinetries down this way as well. This was about the kitchen. Thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you're looking for a thumbs up, don't think about it. Give us your thumbs up. Your comments are always welcome. We're looking for your feedback. If we can improve on something, we'll be right there and we are open for it. So, time to say bye-bye. We'll see you next week round. Bye-bye. Thank you.